Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate your GoDaddy website with website builder with GoDaddy DNS. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the website builder if you're not already. So you can just go to GoDaddy.com and from there you're going to open up your website and website builder. As you can see, I have set up my website right here. Now I can go ahead and get started setting it up right here using the website section. We have our settings and so on for everything we need to manage our website. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to go ahead and integrate it with GoDaddy DNS. You are going to go ahead and open up your domain settings by going to your GoDaddy portfolio right here, also the GoDaddy.com website, and once you open it up it's going to look like this. So this is the main page of your portfolio where you can access your domain portfolio, and here as you can see the left side of the screen we have the DNS settings. So you can click on DNS and this is now going to enable you to go ahead and set up your DNS. You're going to have your DNS management and you can go ahead and select which option you want to use right here. So here you can go ahead and select your DNS once you've set it up. If you already have it set up from a different website or from before, you can just go to your domains and go ahead and connect it right here directly. But all your DNS options are going to be available right here to go ahead and set it up directly with GoDaddy DNS. Then it's going to apply it to your website, and that is how you can go ahead and get started with doing so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.